omega o sì. Un genere flux background di operazione profeta Giovanni Villadoro profeta Fabio Cina omega B A take into account the modify the external derivation with the torsion by making a reference d plus omega. In absence of KK, for whose effective have been reset or discussed, in omega satisfies the constantly constraint omega ij k omega f k m equals 0. When both omega and h flux are considered the effective external derivative between d equals d plus omega plus このマークはハットのハットか三角のwhich is closed under the considered T-duality. However, if we keep using T-duality, we eventually end up dealing with some non-geometric complication for recent review and reference C4. We could generalize the external derivative also to this case to have a completely T-duality invariant external derivative. But we will restrict ourselves here to geometric case where the effective field theory is better under control. Because of the conditions the closer modified external derivation d equals 0. Follows by imposing the modified NSB d plus omega h plus 0. Anonymously RVI dg equals QR. IE すなわち D プラスオメガ GAP プラス G6P イコール Q by applying again D and the equation to using 30 D equals 0. When I get to modify localized B, D by EF equals 0. Which after expanded give D plus omega P equals 0. D plus omega F plus H equals 0. Equivalently, omega pi P equals 0. H plus omega F equals 0. As shown in 8. See also the geometric flux modification in first equation take into account the fact that twisting the boundary condition in the complication change the topology of manifold in particular is removed. Some of arrows cycles that cannot be used anymore to wrap brain on them. The second modification is instead the usual modification of BI due shark short flux. We can repeat the whole analysis of compatibility between omega flux and D brain to find the same quantitative result as for the H flux. In all cases, condition 2.6 crucial for the effective theory to be consistent. C8 T-duality thus makes the H flux with torsion in geometry, providing a geometrical interpretation of FW condition in the dual dispersion. Roughly speaking, stability brain must wrap manifold that are non-trivial with respect to the twice cosmology defined by the modified external derivative D of equation 212. S-duality. S-duality. We now turn to S-duality. This duality acts more dramatically on field and source, mixing the RR and NS sector. The type 2B cell is self-dual under S-duality. RR field is a self-dual or mapped into NS field, and vice versa. The same happens for brain. D brain is a same dual or a mapping into NS source fundamental string, and NS brain in the type 2 theory is mixing field 10D matrix. The RL form the delta comes from the 11D matrix, while the RR3 form, the NS2 form come from the 11D3 form. The condition, on the other hand, not imbalance under S-duality. That suggests that there should be also another condition involving RR fluxing NS source. We gave here a short argument supporting the instance of the new condition and postpone the full derivation to section 5 after discussing its M theory original. The next section to get a non-trivial condition on NSN source, we need to include the VI. P plus omega H equals QH. V5 is one volume, NS5 source, so 5 kk, 5 monopole source. Because of this, our external derivative operator is no longer close DD called QNS, which has where QNS equal QK